Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how to manage clients in the Timesheet app. So let's get started. Go to the platform and click on the Timesheet app. Once you are in the app, on the left hand side menu you will see the client option. Click on the client menu. Here you can click on the add button to add a new client. Add the client name. Here we are just entering some test name. Then the client address and the remarks can be entered also. Address and remarks are optional fields and it can be empty. Once all the information is added, you can click on the save button to save the client information. Once the client is added successfully, it will appear in the list. Now let's look at the other options which we can do with the client. To search a client, we can enter the name of the client in the search bar. So here we are searching Apex and the Apex Corp name appeared in the list. The client can also be searched by the client number. After that, if we want to edit a specific client, we have to click on the edit icon which is under the actions menu. Here the name of the client, address and the remarks, any of the field can be changed. Once the edit is complete, save button can be pressed. In order to delete the client, we have to just click on the delete icon under the action. Clients can only be deleted if there is no active project for the client and the client is deleted successfully. If you want to keep the client in the system and just want to deactivate, then you can click on the deactivate client option. Once the deactivation is successful, the client status becomes inactive. So here are all the options to manage clients. We hope the video helped you to understand and manage clients. Thank you.